Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A15 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to increase or decrease flashlight or torchlight brightness in our phone Samsung Galaxy A15 5G. First of all, go to the notification area and here you will find torch icon. Just turn on torch. Okay, you will find torchlight glowing in the back side of our phone. This is flashlight or torchlight in our phone. If you want to increase or decrease this flashlight brightness, yes, you can do it. What you have to do is go to the notification area and long press on the flashlight and you will have brightness level here. Okay, if you want to increase brightness level, you have to move the pointer to the right side. This is very bright. Okay, click on done and see the changes in the back side. It's very high intensity light. Okay, if you want to decrease torch light intensity or brightness, long press on the torch icon in the notification area and here move the point to the left side. Okay, left side will be low level torch. Okay, see here torchlight brightness is decreased. So in this way you can easily increase or decrease torch brightness or flashlight brightness in our phone. If you keep in the middle, this is average brightness that is default brightness used in our phone Samsung Galaxy A15. That's all friends. Finally click on done. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.